What's the difference between hardware wallets and cold wallets? Wait, are they not the same thing? While the terms are often used interchangeably, the short answer is that they're not. But let's start with the basics first. What is a hardware wallet? A hardware wallet is a physical device designed to store your private keys offline, which are generated and stored within the device itself. This is their main selling point. Unlike software wallets, they keep your private keys disconnected from the internet, making them highly secure against threats like hacking. But how do they work without being connected to the internet? See, when you want to send a transaction, you first prepare the transaction details on your computer or mobile device. This information is then sent to the hardware wallet, whether it's via a wired USB connection, Bluetooth, NFC, or QR codes. The hardware wallet, which keeps the private keys offline, signs the transaction internally. The signed transaction is then sent back to your computer or mobile device, which broadcasts it to the blockchain network. This process ensures that your private keys never leave the secure offline environment of the hardware wallet, keeping them safe from online threats. However, some hardware wallets do more than just store your private keys offline. They are also designed to be convenient, allowing you to connect to Web3 apps. When you're interacting with these Web3 apps, you might be asked to sign a contract. If this contract is malicious, it could give the attacker access to your assets. So, even though your hardware wallet keeps your private keys offline, it can't save you if you happen to accidentally sign and approve a malicious contract. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are meant to eliminate this threat by simply only ever being used for storage purposes and simple transfers. The key point is that they do not interact with smart contracts on Web3 dApps at any point, thereby avoiding the risk associated with on-chain threats like signing malicious smart contracts. By limiting their functionality, there are fewer opportunities for error, since you're less likely to fall for scams or phishing attempts that require interaction with blockchain applications. Cold wallets come in different forms. These range from simple paper wallets, where your private keys are stored on a piece of paper, to hardware wallets of various designs. So the thin line between whether your hardware wallet is a cold wallet or not simply depends on how you use it. Thanks for watching. If you found the video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you're curious about how your wallet seed phrases are generated, we've got a video on that too. Check it out here.